Hello, this is Charlotte. Welcome to today's video on artwork knowledge. Today we will share with you a small tip on print artwork. Convert your text to shape before submitting your artwork to a printer. If you are design savvy and familiar with Adobe Illustrator, you may encounter such a situation from time to time. When opening a file in the software, a missing fonts notice will pop up. If you continue to open the file, the fonts will change. Why does this happen? And how to solve it? If you see a missing fonts message upon opening a file in Adobe software, it means that the file uses fonts that you don't install on your computer. And the best way to solve this problem is to ask the designer to convert the text to shape when saving the original file. Then, how to convert text to shape? In Adobe Illustrator, converting text to shape means creating outlines for your text. Open the software, select the texts, and then click Type, Create Outlines. Once the conversion is done, the text won't be missing when opening on another computer. Okay, this is all for this video, and if you are interested in our content, just feel free to subscribe to our channel or leave a comment below.